Tapos, tumataas ang ating foreign debt. Increase ang foreign debt natin, especially at this time, no? At saka, so kailangan mo mag-debt services. At saka kung titignan mo, ang trade imbalance natin, mataas din. Ibig sabihin, we import more, but we have less export. So, mababa ang ating revenue from export ng product natin. Kasi wala naman talaga tayong industry na pwedeng mag-generate ng more export eh. Tsaka with our political relationship na challenging with China, ang ating export to China is bumababa din. Marami bumababa. Wala tayong tourism masyado. So in terms of revenue from outside, na dapat magkakaroon tayo ng revenue, eh walang ganun masyado eh. Ang ating OFW lang ang ating inaasahan to actually also get more revenue from outside kasi nagpapadala sila ng remittances sa Pilipinas. So hindi ko alam kung gaano kalakas yun at this time. So kung